Gamma ray bursts. Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside, and boom, the sky lights up with an intense flash of energy. No warning, no escape, just a blinding burst of cosmic radiation that wipes out everything in its path. That's a gamma ray burst, GRB, one of the most powerful and terrifying events in the universe. GRBs are like space's deadliest sniper shots, fired from collapsing stars or merging neutron stars. These bursts release more energy in a few seconds than our sun will in its entire lifetime. If a gamma ray burst ever hit Earth head-on, it wouldn't just scorch the surface. It could strip away our atmosphere, exposing us to lethal radiation and making life impossible. And here's the truly scary part. We wouldn't even see it coming. These bursts travel at the speed of light, meaning by the time we detected one heading our way, it would have already arrived. There'd be no chance to react, no time to hide, just a flash, and then nothing. Luckily, most gamma ray bursts happen far away in distant galaxies. But what if one were aimed at us from a nearby supernova? Scientists say it's rare, but not impossible. And considering how little control we have over cosmic disasters, that's more than enough to send chills down your spine.